It's always a good time to get new people together, people from all around the country, and also meet a lot of new faces.
This is the pinnacle of the exhibition calendar for the UK.
I think TCT offers something that no other show does, and that's the feeling of home, like a family reunion. I come in and it's warm and it's inviting, and it makes me want to see more stuff and talk to more people, and I think that's really important in this industry.
The atmosphere is just really, really good. Really enthusiastic people. It's really nice to chat to everyone as well. Having some of the original 3D printers out here as well to see, and then all the new technologies too, is just brilliant.